Tired of random, suggested for you, posts cluttering your Facebook feed? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to cut them down and regain control of what you see. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're on the home feed where you normally scroll posts. Now tap the three horizontal lines menu in the bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android to open your main menu. From here, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, then tap it to expand more options. Next, tap on Settings. This is where we'll adjust how Facebook uses your activity for suggestions. On the settings screen, look for the section labeled Your Information or Permissions, depending on your version of the app. First, tap Ad Preferences or Ads. This is where a lot of those suggested style posts are controlled. Inside, review options like Add Topics or Add Activity. Turn off or limit topics you don't want to see and remove interests that don't match you. Next, go back to Settings and open Profile Settings or Audience and Visibility to double-check what information Facebook can use to personalize your feed. Whenever you see a suggested for you post, tap the three dots on that post, then choose Hide Post or Show Less. This trains Facebook to stop similar suggestions. You can also tap Why am I seeing this? To see the reason and remove the interest or source that's feeding that suggestion. These steps won't remove every suggestion, but they sharply reduce them and give you more privacy and control over your Facebook feed.